everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to do Cruella. Have you seen the new Cruella movie with Emma Stone? I am in love with it. I swear I've seen it like 4 or 5 times. She played that role perfectly. Anyways, I thought I'd recreate the look that she did. So yeah, without any further ado, let's jump into it. Alright you guys, so you can see I've already done my base, my brows, and one eye just to kind of speed us along. And now I'm going to go on to this eye. Actually, going to lay a white base down first. Just use any white shadow that you have. Really pack it on near the brow, so it's going to act as our highlight. So it's all cool tones. So I'm actually going to break out my old Smashbox palette here. Full Exposure. Who remembers this palette? I'm going to go in with this one here, then this one, then black. Take a large fluffy brush and that lightest gray color, and we're going to work this in the crease. You can keep it above your crease actually, and then you can blend it into your brow and down onto your nose as well. And we're going to kind of come out with it. Just kind of follow how your natural brow bone kind of drips down right there. Just build it up to where you can see it. That's good for now. Now I'm going to take a little dome brush and that second to darkest gray color, and now we're going to start carving out that shape. So I'm going to actually start here in the center around my bridge nose. And if you just kind of start right here and follow it up, it's quite easy. And then we're also going to bring it into the brow. And then you can see on this one, there's a little bit of like an open space. We're going to do the same thing on this one. So we're going to start making like that wing that you see on this side. And come out just a little bit past the eyebrow. I'm sorry if this keeps going out of focus. I'm very nearsighted, so I have to have the mirror close to me. You really don't want to build up on the grays too much because you are going to go in with that black and really build it up, which I'm going in with now is that black. I'm going to start bringing it onto the lid just a little bit at a wing shape. You just want to use, light pressure in building it up. You can tell on this side it comes about halfway in, so we want to make sure we do that on this side as well. And you can just gradually bring it in. Okay, so I kind of have it built up to my desired darkness. So next what I'm going to do is take my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean, and we are going to line the waterline with a very light hand. You don't need very much of it. And then going in with that little dome brush and just buffing it out. Now it's taking some of that black eyeshadow and just building it up. Alright, next we are going to take some more of that white and pack it on right here. And then I'm going to go in with a shiny silver. I'm going to take Revolt out of the Urban Decay Electric palette, and we're going to place this where that white is on the lid. You can add more shimmer if you want. I'm just going to take just a little bit of a bigger dome brush, hit the edge. I'm actually going to go in with that lighter gray shade. And as well as the white. She doesn't really wear much of a contour, and I didn't make my face as light as hers. I'm just going to do just a tiny bit of a contour using that light gray shade. Make sure you bring that light gray shade down onto the nose. I'm going in with my Kat Von D Everlasting Lip Liner in X. And fill it in. I'm going to change my shirt, put on that wig, and I will be back. Alright you guys, so this is the finished Cruella look. What do you think? You're going to be rocking Cruella this Halloween? You can go out, have any parties, anything like that. I'm very happy with how this came out. I feel like Cruella. So yeah, obviously you would finish the look with some lashes and mascara. Obviously I have lash extensions on, so I'm not going to put any lashes on. And then I don't feel like I need mascara on the bottom because it's so dramatic. But I am super happy, and I hope you give this a go for Halloween. And if you do, or if you give this look a try, type it down in the comments down below, and I look forward to hearing from you.